shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh, even though I'm not married.
Hey guys, what's up? Starting off a new vlog. We are headed to Boston in like 30 minutes. I'm going to hang with my friend Kristen. It's St. Patty's weekend, so to be honest with you, I don't know if St. Patrick's Day was yesterday or if it's today. It's the 17th, right? What day is today? It's Saturday the 18th. Okay, I think it was yesterday, but anywho. We are gonna go to a cute girls' dinner tonight, just me and her. We're gonna shop around today, hang out, take pics, and then tomorrow, I guess we're doing like the parade in Boston, and we're gonna like drink and have fun. I'm super excited. I started off my day pretty early. I woke up at like 6:30 and I went to the gym with my fiance Frank and Monica, my best friend, and we hit legs and came home, showered, packed, did all that crap. I'll show you guys my suitcase in a sec, but yes, I'm bringing a suitcase for like 24 to 48 hours, but I've just realized it is not worth bringing a tiny duffel bag, having to carry that shit, or like shoving everything into like a smaller container when you can just have so much more space if you bring a suitcase. Like every time I go to New York, if it's even for one day, I'm bringing my suitcase. I don't care. It's so much more convenient. You roll it, you don't have to carry it. Like it's just less annoying. Like people think it's less annoying to bring a smaller bag. I don't. I'm also like uploading a YouTube video. My bed's like a mess because I have all my stuff on it right now. But yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit, show you guys my suitcase. I'm also gonna bring like a little snack pack because I mentioned in a previous video, but I've been really crazy about my strength training. Not crazy, but like super motivated and like kind of killing it. Monica and I have just talked about like the fact that like the last few weeks we've been like really popping off, and I've been kind of training with my cycle too, where like I know right now for a fact that I am in my ovulation phase. So that's the phase where you can do higher intensity, more cardio. I do a lot more strength training, like a lot more of like a bigger load of workouts. And I can like push myself a little bit harder versus like next week and like the following week when I'm in my luteal and menstrual phase, I will be a lot more kind of like subdued and like more chill. I have a few credits to solid core, so I'm going to be doing solid core. Even though solid core compared to regular Pilates, I still find it's like really challenging. It's like a little more intense, but it's good because it's still not heavy weight and it's not like super cardio based. It's still like a lot of resistance, but it's not like too crazy, and you can kind of tailor it a little bit. So I won't be doing like any crazy cardio or anything. Not that I really do crazy cardio anyways, but I'm doing a lot more walks, blah, blah, blah. Anywho, my point to all of that was that I have been prioritizing protein because I realized that I've been like trying to build muscle, trying to really get fit, and I struggle with protein. And so I've been like making sure that all my meals have protein, blah, blah, blah. So I made myself like a big egg white omelet, lots of turkey breast, Mexican cheese. I put like truff hot sauce, and I used Greek yogurt as like sour cream. So it was kind of like a Mexican vibe. Oh my God, you guys, I don't know if you've seen that meme on TikTok where it's like, when I realize how much protein I need to eat to build muscle, I was like trying to shove this omelet down my throat because I was like, oh, I can't. You know when your eggs start to get too eggy? Girl. So yeah, I gave it my good old college try. I almost finished it. I really did. I only left like one little chunk. But I'm like, protein! And I'm just trying to like not be crazy about it, but like just like fuel my body, especially after we did like a good leg day, like fuel my body with that protein, especially knowing we're doing Italian tonight. So like more than likely I'll be eating like pasta, which is not protein. So I'd rather just like get it in now. I'm gonna bring a little bag full of snacks, waters, like a Celsius, stuff that I might need throughout the weekend. And yeah, more than likely I'll be home like Monday morning, just in case tomorrow if we do have some drinks, like I don't want to be like driving home from Boston. So I'll probably just spend the night and come home Monday morning. But yeah, super excited to hang with Kristen. I don't know if you guys follow me on TikTok, but last time I was in Boston, I made like a video about how mean the girls were in Boston. It was just like catty. Like it was just a stupid video. It was like literally hungover, like venting. And the video kind of popped off and people like got a little wild about it. But I'm excited to see how it goes this weekend. I feel like it's gonna be super fun. I'm like going into it completely like with an open mind, just excited to spend time with Kristen, have a good time. Like not gonna let anybody rain on my parade. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, here's my suitcase. This little part with the zipper is where I keep kind of like all my like flimsy bags and things like that. That Stony Clover Juicy Couture collab is my makeup, all my makeup. That is my Dyson. It's like a dust bag from a pair of shoes. Lint roller. I have an extra handbag. I have my like beach waver because I think I'm gonna do beach waves tonight. Those are my makeup bags, my makeup brushes. These are my extensions. This is like deodorant, toothbrush, like all that kind of toiletry stuff. This is skincare. This is hair products. I know it's a lot, but I'm doing like a full shower hair wash situation when I get there, so like kind of had to. And then over here we have like, I have like gym clothes under here and an extra hoodie. This is just my PJs, and then under there is my hoodie that matches the sweatpants that I'm currently wearing, but I just didn't feel like wearing it right now. I have my outfit for Sunday, which is tomorrow. My gym sneakers, just in case we go on like a walk, whatever. Those are my black booties for tonight. This is my silk top I'm gonna wear. Always bring an extra pair of jeans, and then under there I have leather pants and my silk trench. It's really not that much. It's like 2, 3, 4 outfits, but it's kind of a lot when it comes to like being bulky. Okay, I'm about to put all my snacks in this little plastic bag, but I brought a few little like bars in case I get just nibbly or something. I brought this little Kind bar, Power Crunch. These are my favorite. They're like, neither of these are that healthy, but they taste so good. They taste like a chocolate bar. So yummy. These are like a wafer. Oh my God, Frank put me onto these. They're freaking amazing. Water bottle for the road, a Celsius. I don't know when I'm gonna need that, but maybe tomorrow. A ton of liquid IVs. I just ran out of Element, but I really like liquid IVs too, because honestly, people complain about that sugar, but I think when you're like hungover, that sugar helps. And people don't think it does, but to me it does. Then I brought some of these little like beef sticks. These are the Archer Provisions grass-fed beef sticks. Just good for, again, protein. And these are like kind of more carb heavy, so I figure good little thing of protein, and then more liquid IVs. That's it. That's all I'm really bringing. I might bring like some pistachios too, some peanuts or something like that, but nothing crazy. I'm not gonna need that many snacks. I'm literally, this is extra in and of itself, but better safe than sorry. You never know. Alrighty guys, we are on the road, listening to the new Morgan Wallen. I've been listening to it for like the last few weeks since it came out. Funny story, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually a very big fan. I paid stupid amounts of money. Drunkenly, we were at Frank's best friend's wedding, and we were on the dance floor and a Morgan song came on, and I was like, we should really go to his concert. It was like the second to last day that we were staying in LA, right before the move, and I was like, Frank, we should get tickets. He's like, tickets are like $1,000. And I was like, so what? Like, let's just do it. So I bought them for me and him. They were like shitty ass seats too. Like the videos I got were so funny too, because we were so far away and he looked like a little ant, and we paid a stupid, we as in me. Frank was like, we're not doing that, that's so dumb. But anyways, we went. It was still a great time. I love him. But yeah, I am on the way. I was debating getting a coffee, but decided against it. But maybe we'll get one. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get one when I get to Kristen's. I already said this, but whatever. Yeah, gonna be like an hour-and-a-half drive. Should be pretty good because it's like midday on a Saturday. Like East Coast goes hard for St. Patrick's Day for sure. New York, Boston, like the Irish people, like Massachusetts. Well, Massachusetts is Boston, but yeah. Anyways, I've never been to actual Boston for St. Patrick's Day, so I'm pretty excited. Got my green on. Yeah. So, should be a good little drive. Alright, y'all, we made it to Boston. Got a little cold brew with oat milk. You know, I always have to get my Starbies. So yeah, it was not bad. Quick drive, hour and 40. Just because there was like some traffic when I got into the actual city, but not too bad. So now I'm just gonna meet up with Kristen. She's heading back from her boyfriend's house and is gonna meet up with me. I'm 4 minutes from her place. Figured I would like kill some time because she got stuck in traffic this morning, but all good. And then we're gonna go shopping. I'm so excited. It's so nice out too. We were worried it was gonna be like poop weather, but it's actually nice. We made it. We found this little stinker. We're headed to Newbury. We're like a block away.
Prudential.
I'm about to go shopping. Just finished getting ready. Hi guys, I am on a walk right now and I haven't walked outside besides in Frankie's neighborhood in a really long time, and it's so weird. I hope you can hear me over the wind, but it's so nostalgic to me. Like, it reminds me of COVID, and it was just like the 3-year anniversary of lockdown, and it's so crazy. Like, this walk like really brings me back. But I just wanted to like talk to you guys, catch up about the weekend, how everything went, because I did not end up finishing the vlog on Saturday night and I didn't vlog on Sunday, and I will tell you why. I died. I literally passed away. Saturday night, I was sick to my stomach, and Sunday morning too. I was not well. I cannot go hard anymore. I really thought I could, and I couldn't. Kristen was like, you should take it easy, like tomorrow's a big day, there's an airplane, and I was like, yeah, I got this, I'll be fine. The woman was in fact not fine. I was so severely unwell. I ended up going home Sunday afternoon. Kristen left at like 9:30 to like go pregame with all her friends. I was like, girly pop, I can't. I was sick to my stomach. I ate my first meal at 3 p.m. and I had McDonald's. I was not well. It was giving very much not wellness, not health. It was giving hangover. There's no one else besides me on this little track, but love that. But yeah, it was a hot mess. And then yesterday I kind of took the day to reset, take it easy. Like, I was supposed to work out, and I just kind of ended up like taking my dog on a 40-minute walk, like nothing crazy. But it's been so nice outside. It's like almost 60 degrees, sunny, which like for New England right now like is insane. So I'm very, very happy, feeling great. Just hit an awesome workout this morning, did arms, and now I'm on a little walk, and I just feel really good. So yeah, moral of the story is balance. You can't always be perfect. That's just how life goes. It's okay. I at first was like, damn, that really sucks that I did that to myself, but also it's like, can't really beat yourself up. Like, it happened. What am I gonna do? Go back in the past? Like, I can just try to be smarter next time. I also saw a really funny TikTok where somebody was like, sometimes you need a really good humbling hangover moment to kind of catapult you into like 3 to 4 weeks of health and wellness. That could not be more true. Like, genuinely, every single time I have one of those moments, I'm like, that's it. I'm good. I'm good. Like, I get my like once or twice a month like outings. I'm good now. I go on like little dinners with friends, like girly cute little catch-ups. Like tonight I'm going to dinner with my friend Danny, and we're just going to a pizza place. We're gonna have like a chill, maybe I'll have like a little Aperol Spritz moment, like nothing crazy, be in bed by like 9 o'clock, and I'm good. Like, that's my like, you know, I can do that whenever and I'm chilling. But I mean like going hard, like actually going out, like we went to the club. I'm good on that for at least another month, at least. But yeah, that's basically it. My arm is about to fall off, but I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And I have a lot of fun, exciting stuff coming up within the next like couple weeks. So much more vlogs, many more vlogs to come. But I love you, and I will see you in the next one.
Spend more time with my friends.